What's up with it? It's your boy Zach Williams, and I'm back with another video, man. As y'all can see, I'm out here with the one and only Gucci, man. Gucci. She did it. She did it. So, I want to talk to y'all about the road to $1,000 a month, 1K a month on TURO. When I first got it, like I said, I bought the car for a steal. And when I paid for it, I didn't think I really was going to make some money on TURO with this car, or just renting the car out, period. And in all actuality, this car is my breadwinner. And she old faithful. She gets to the bag. I don't know how she do it, but she do it. She's highly recommended. And I keep her up to par to make sure she keep that bag going. The road to $1,000 a month was an easy process on TURO. It probably took a month before it started happening. First month, I probably made about $400 or $500. It was like $497, something like that. It wasn't nothing major. Car went out probably 3 times. I didn't have a platform set up to where it was making good amount of money. I had to play with the system for a minute, to play with the analytics of it, just to get it right. Once I got it right, then things started to change for me. When I initially bought this car was $9,000, so it was like $10,000 with taxes. I put down $5K, and I financed the rest, and it brought the car payment down to like $100 a month. So at $100, added insurance, it was like $123. So it was like a total of $226 a month for the car. This first month, it probably made like $400. So out the gate, it actually doubled what the car cost to operate the vehicle. So it definitely got to a bag that way. But I felt like it could make more. So, you know what I'm saying, I just kept pushing it. Then she started retrieving. So this is actually month 3 of me having this vehicle. So during month 2, she actually started making like $800 within a month. Month 3, she cleared $1,000. She did like $1,700 in month 3. So, and that's the car. I don't know what it is about this car. Like I said, this car by itself, for some strange reason, don't worry about that. That's water. That's the AC pumping in there. Something about this car that makes customers want to rent this car. I make sure the car stays up to par when it comes down to maintenance, things of that nature. She got brand new tires on there. She getting a new tire put on here next week. I'm going back all Continentals. The reason why this car don't have the Continentals on it right now is because the first renter who had this car, he had a blowout, driver and passenger side, and he didn't replace the tires. Cool. So Continentals on the back, Continental on the other side. It's just this tire that doesn't have a Continental on there. Car has been to Toronto. This car has been to Detroit, Michigan twice for sure. It's been to Kentucky. It's been to Nashville. And ain't no telling where else it's gonna go. She's been all over Milwaukee and the greater Milwaukee area. This car is a go-getter for sure. I'm not gonna part ways with her just yet. The other Jetta, she's out right now. It'll be coming back, aka Prada. She'll be coming back very, very soon. But we'll talk about that in another video. Main thing is right now is that I actually made $1,000 a month with this car, and it's consistently bubbling. And with the other cars, this car has also quadrupled the actual income of all 3 cars. So I think that's super dope. At the end of the day, it's just about the grind right now. It's about a super grind, and you know, if you're about chasing your bag, I think, you know what I'm saying, whatever it is that you're doing, you might want to get to it. But me personally, I'm gonna say this. I gamble like most entrepreneurs do. I took a risky bet on myself with this car. I didn't think this car was gonna make that money, but this car actually made that money. So it's a congratulation day for the car. end for me as well, because now it's a for sure $1,000 car per month. The goal is to get the other car to be $1,000 a month. Yeah, it's just doing its thing, man. I'm like super proud of this vehicle. I take care of this vehicle, and if I had to part ways with it, I would definitely sell it, or trade it in. I would trade it in just to get something better. But yeah, man, like it's just all about the hustle. It's all about the grind with this car. I don't take it lightly, you know what I'm saying? If I'm putting my time and effort into it, I'm gonna make sure this car works the right way. I'm gonna make sure the business works the way it's supposed to work, and do everything the legitimate way. That way I can get the perks for using this car on the tax tip side, but that's another conversation for another day. The main thing, like I said, it's about a milestone. It's the $1,000 milestone with this car. It did it. I appreciate the people that use the TURO platform to actually rent this car out. This car had been out like 20 trips, 25 trips, something like that. And she's just doing her numbers. She's doing what she's supposed to do, and she's making it happen. So with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all, and keep following your boy, man. Make sure y'all hit that all post notification bell to get all the latest videos, latest tips and tricks on TURO, latest tips and tricks on how to actually take care of your car, clean your car, or whatever. And most importantly, hit the subscription button, bro, because the channel is growing. People was listening, people was watching, and they want to know what's going on. And definitely get in the comments if y'all got any information of what I can use to turn my TURO up, turn my channel up, or just, you know what I'm saying, get in the comments. Let me know what y'all feeling. Let me know what y'all thinking. It's your boy Zach Williams. I'm checking out with another video.